Hello friends, welcome back to Burag Recipes. Today I am going to show one of my favorite cartoon character, that is Popeye the Sailor Man. Pom pom. If you are the one also, let me know in comment section. Does your kids doesn't like to eat the plain boiled chana? Then here is the way you can feed them by making the pretty much simple chana chaat. Though I am grown up, still the kid in me doesn't let me eat the plain boring boiled chana. So let's quickly check out the ingredients on screen and keep it ready with you so that you can make very quickly. Firstly, take a bowl of water and add 2 cups of chana and soak it overnight. In the morning, you can see perfectly soaked chana. Few call it as Kabuli chana or even in Telugu, Tella Senagalu. Now in a pressure cooker, add the drained chana and also add a full glass of water, which is fresh water. And also add a spoon of salt. If you doesn't add salt at this stage, you will end up with plain tasteless chana. So make sure you are adding it. And close the lid by placing the weight and let it whistle for 4 to 5. Depends on your pressure cooker. Once the pressure is released, open the lid and check whether the chana is perfectly boiled or not. Here is the way you can check the chana. Now in a blender jar, add half of the boiled chana and also add boiled chana water. Here I am adding 2 ladles of water. You can use normal water as well. And blend it into smooth paste. The texture must be smooth. Now add the blended chana mixture into our boiled chana. I am using the chana water as well. And give a quick mix. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 large tomato finely chopped, and also add 1 onion finely chopped. And give a quick mix. And let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. For extra flavor, I am adding these spices. And also add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. I am using the chana water as well, so I don't need to add extra salt. Now add handful of coriander leaves and mix this. For street style flavor, I am adding a spoon of ghee and let it melt and give a quick mix. And check the consistency. Once you reach the desired consistency, switch off the flame. Now in a hot pan, add 2 spoons of oil, handful of peanuts. For crunchy flavor, I am using roasted peanuts into our chaat. And fry it. Once it is done, add a string of curry leaves and fry it. And add half of the roasted peanuts into our prepared chaat. And mix this once. Now transfer this into our serving dish. Our healthy and tasty nutritious chana chaat is ready to serve. Before serving it, I want to add the freshly chopped tomatoes and onions for the fresh flavor from it. If you doesn't want, you can skip it. And also I would like to add freshly chopped coriander leaves and also add the rest of the roasted peanuts into our prepared chaat. For a little bit of tangy flavor, I am adding half a lemon juice squeezed. For little spiciness and tanginess, I am adding a little bit of chaat masala and a pinch of red chili powder. And finally add a little more ghee and give a quick mix. And enjoy the delicious and most tempting chana chaat. I am pretty much sure that your kids and your family will fall in love with this and they will ask to do it again and again. Ha ha ha! So be prepared. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.